Hey sis, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm doing a 10-minute makeup look using 100% drugstore makeup. So if you're interested, just continue to watch. So I'm starting off with bare skin. First product is a primer. So I'm taking my e.l.f. Liquid Poreless Putty Primer, and I'm honestly focusing this in my T-zone area. This is the area that tends to be my problem areas, especially my nose, and especially in the summer season here, my nose tends to get really oily and textury. So I love that this putty primer really smooths out my texture and just really combats my oils as well. So all you're seeing here is me focusing in my T-zone area. So we're going to work on the brows. I'm taking my NYX The Brow Glue, and I'm pairing that with my NYX Blade & Shade Eyebrow Pencil in the shade Black. So taking that glue, all I'm doing is really going backwards with the glue and just dispersing it all over the brow hairs. And then I'm going ahead and brushing every hair up and really sticking it down in place. In the summer, we tend to sweat. Things don't stay in place, so this glue really helps to keep my brow hairs tamed and in place. So you can see that I used my pencil to really push down the hair, and now I'm shaping it in place. And once I do that, I'm able to just fill in any sparse area using my Blade & Shade eyebrow pencil. And I really love this pencil, guys. It does the job. If you're looking to just fill in sparse areas, little areas on your brows, this is the pencil for you. So now I'm going in with my NYX Pro Fix Stick in the shade Sienna. Now this is considered my perfect shade because all we're doing is spot correcting, guys. So you can see I'm showing you guys all the areas on my skin that have just darkness going on. My skin's going through it, guys. So I'm taking this and I'm literally spot correcting anywhere that I want to just even out my skin tone. I'm applying this, and the goal is, guys, for your concealer to blend into your skin. So you can see that it's really matching my natural shade. I don't know if you guys noticed, but the primer did give me a little white cast, but that's okay. We're gonna go over that with this stick, of course. And I'm gonna use my e.l.f. Flawless Concealer Brush to just blend everything out. Love, love, love this brush. It's very small and intricate, so it gets the job done in little areas, which is what we want. You can also opt for just a regular foundation brush as well. But if you want to just take your time and do spot correcting, love, love, love this brush for that. So you just want to take your time and just blend everything into the skin. So now I'm going in with my second concealer, which is my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn. And this is what's going to highlight the skin, guys. We want to bring back our natural highlights. So we're going to focus in the T-zone area, starting with underneath the eyes. I like to put some up against my nose on the sides as well to lightly contour my nose. So under the eyes, forehead, down the bridge of your nose, Cupid's bow, and your chin is where you want to apply this concealer. And this concealer is about 2 to 3 shades lighter than your complexion. And again, I'm taking that e.l.f. concealer brush and just blending everything out. So you guys saw what I did there. I started with the edges and just flared that out into my skin, and then just worked my way up underneath the eyes and on the sides of my nose. You just want to take your time with the blending, guys. And as you can see, this is a no foundation 10-minute makeup look, so the less product, the better. So again, all we're doing is just blending, blending, blending. So you can see how that really brightened up the look. Now we're gonna go ahead and take just another foundation brush. This is the BK Beauty foundation brush, and I'm going over the edges just to really make everything come together. We don't want any harsh lines. So doing this really helps everything blend together. Now before I get rid of this concealer, I'm going to take a flat brush and we're just going to shape up the brows and really clean it up, as well as conceal the eyelids as well. So I do have dark eyelids going on, so you're gonna see I'm gonna put a bit on my eyelids and just blend everything together. This is what's going to bring the eyelids to a really even base. And at this point, you can just really blend everything together with your under eyes. Everything's just gonna come together, so you can see the difference between both eyes there. So I'm gonna let you guys watch me do it again, just for this side as well. All right, so that's about it for the cream products. We're gonna move into powder. I'm taking my L'Oreal Infallible Blurfection Loose Setting Powder, and we're gonna take a velour puff, take off the excess, guys, and make sure you blend out your creases first before going in with this powder. Now you just want to dab that into the skin. It's supposed to disappear, and the thing I love about this powder is that it's flesh tone. It's not altering your shade. It's just doing the work and setting everything in place. So I love this, and it also gives you a nice blurred effect as well. If you're someone who has a lot of texture, this is like the perfect powder for you. So I'm just doing my eyelids as well. Pretty much everywhere that we applied that concealer, you want to go over those areas with this powder. So now we want to bring back some natural bronze to the skin. So I'm taking my NYX Buttermelt Bronzer in the shade Butter Than You. And I'm taking my BK Beauty bronzer brush. And all I'm doing is focusing this on my cheekbones, my forehead, jawline, and just really bringing back that warmth to the skin. This is perfect for a summer makeup look, a 10-minute summer makeup look, because we love that nice natural bronze look. So love this. And with bronzer, again, you don't have to be precise, so it's a quick thing that you can do just to really pull this makeup look together. All right, I love a nice blush, so I'm taking my CoverGirl Skin Enhancer Baked Blush, and we're just gonna take the Real Techniques blush brush, dip into that, and apply it right above the bronzer, guys. And this is just gonna give us a nice light flush of blush. And I love this blush because it also has a bit of like a highlight in it. So if you are someone who loves highlighter, I don't really wear highlighter, but I love that it's infused into this blush to give me just a natural highlight as well. So now I'm going in with the Maybelline Superstay Powder Foundation, and we're going to use this to just apply in the areas we didn't apply anything. So that's really around the perimeter of the face. So I'm lightly taking this powder because it is a full coverage powder, but I'm taking this very sparingly and just going over pretty much everywhere, guys. So just lightly blending everything together with this powder. All right, so next is just customization. I love a nice lash. I'm taking my Ardell Wispies. These are actually the Demi Wispies, so they're not as wispy as the ones I normally use. These I would consider more of a natural lash. So if you're someone who isn't about those big lashes, this is just a very natural lash. So the Ardell Demi Wispies. And then just to complete the eyes, I'm taking my Maybelline Colossal Mascara and just applying this to my bottom lashes. Now, of course, customization is up to you, so do whatever you feel you want to do for your makeup look. But now we're going to move on to lips. I'm taking my Revlon Color Stay Multi-Liner in the shade Catalyst and just lining my lips. Love a nice brown lip liner look. And then I'm going to take my Black Radiance Perfect Tone Lip Gloss. I love this one. It's such a nice nude, especially for darker complexion. And it's a gloss, of course. You guys know I love a nice gloss. So I just applied that in the center of my lips to just really bring this lip combo together. And then last but not least, we want to set. I'm taking my L'Oreal Infallible 3-Second Setting Mist. Give that a shake and just spray this look in place. Especially for the summer, we want to make sure our makeup lasts. I go over it with a velour puff, and that's about it, guys. Quick and easy 10-minute makeup look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.